Welcome back, guys. So this is an informative video. I'm not here, not discussing anything related to courses or the things. I'm here to discuss how to install Docker. What is the prerequisite for the Docker? Well, because last 10 to 5, 10 to 5 days, I am facing some issue. What is the issue? I will tell you first, then I will give the solution for you. Okay. So what is the issue I was facing? The issue I was facing, if it is possible, then I will show you the which type of issue I was facing. Give me a I will show you this type of issue I was facing again and again. First if First issue is this. Okay. And one more issue, I'm just collecting the logs. Okay. If it is possible, let's announce. Actually, what's in this information? Yeah. Then second logs is this. Okay. One more logs I will show you. So to that. Also, for this command, this is the wrong solution. Don't do this. Okay. Give me a little bit time. Type of issue like that. Okay. Mm. So okay. So now there is three types of issue I am facing while installing WSL. WSL. WSL I have uninstalled at the time because of some space related thing it's happening. So I've uninstalled that WSL2, WSL. Okay. So after that, uninstall WSL2. Then I want to run the Docker. So the Docker requirement is you should install first WSL2, WSL in your system. Then you can install Docker Desktop in your Windows operating system. In the Docker website, it is all it's available. You can go and search there. Okay, first thing. Then, then why I have done this much of drama because of virtualization is enabled because I'm not that much comfortable with this because I need to install one what is that RHL in that workstation. So I have disabled some configuration, some virtualization I have disabled. So right now it's working perfectly. It's my virtual machine is working. Okay. And Docker is also working. I will show the output. What step I have done, I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. I will tell you what steps I have follow. You should do this type of configuration. Right now it's working perfectly. Okay, it's working perfectly. Now it's Docker should be started. Wait sometime. It will. Okay, Docker engine will start. Don't worry. Docker will start. Docker is started. Yeah, Docker is started. Now Docker is working. So what type of setting you should done for that installing VMware in your system and Docker in your system. So first we need install Docker. We need a WSL2 system is required. Okay, now in my system WSL is there. So you can install. Why? How we can install this? Just click on that WSL2. Here you can search storage. Okay. Here you can search one installed app. I have installed this app. Inside this, just search Ubuntu. This is owned, but I have installed 22.4.5.6. Once we installed this one, just click on Ubuntu. Search Ubuntu and Ubuntu, then open it. When this is open, right now it's installed because this is installed now. That's why when you first time it is not installed in your system, then it will ask some permission. You should give the permission, username and password as well. It will ask, and you can give it. It's smoothly it will install. Okay, don't do anything. And what is the requirement? Main thing is just window R, press window R. Here you can type operation optional feature dot exe. This one. That's important, guys. This one is important. You should enable virtual. Don't miss any selection. Which one is important? Okay. Virtualization is important. Window hypervisor is important, right? One thing is Windows subsystem. These three settings you should enable. After that, you can install Ubuntu by using Play Store or by using downloading the MSI exe file from the internet. Then you can install. Okay. Before, if you not enable any of these settings, WSL not installed. It will ask this type of nonsense questions. This type of nonsense question, guys. This type of nonsense questions. This type of nonsense. Okay. There is the notepad is able. This type of nonsense question will come. Virtualization and don't I have enable all the time, but somehow I perform these type of nonsense commands. This type of nonsense command I am executing. This will disable and enable continuously. It's happening. So don't execute this command as well. Just execute your GUI is good. Then just enable this and hit OK. Done perfectly. Okay. This is perfectly work for you. Then after that, install a Docker. It will install smoothly, not required to do anything. Or if you install virtual machine in your system, Red Hat, I have given one video for you. You can just go inside the ITSP. In the video session, okay, one RHL installation registration VMware workstation, the full setup guide. This video is available here. You can go and watch this. So thank you guys. This is all about related to this video. This is all about related to this video, guys. So I need to just shut down this. Let's shut down. Okay, now it's closed. Okay, now I need to close the Docker. So now this is the information I want to share with you. So that's all. We will meet some other Linux command videos. I will upload more Linux command videos. Okay, using this VMware RSSL. Okay, OC, I will upload one video. I will increase my system run. Then OC will start. OpenShift, OCP, OpenShift Container Platform, bare metal we will set up. Okay, thank you. We'll meet next video.